Namaskar. Today we'll take on chapter of class 12th history, that is Rebels and Raj. This is a very interesting chapter. The reason is because it's the first war of independence, very important for Indian nationalism. So we'll take on this chapter one by one. What exactly is there in this chapter we are going to discuss in it. First one is Revolt of 1857 and its representation after rebellion. What exactly rebellion did for our motherland. Then we will take on the leaders of 1857. कौन-कौन से leaders इसमें participate किया? We are going to discuss in it. Then we will take on Awadh revolt. Why Awadh were not interested with the Britishers and what are the reasons? What are the causes? Why Awadh revolted against Britishers? We will take on what are the factors which are responsible for causing revolt by sepoys. That will take on this. Then we have a vision of unity. What are the reasons why these all leaders were together at one platform? Then we'll take on a performance of a terror, what Britishers did with us and how they represented this revolt in their journals and their newspapers. We're going to discuss in this. This is just introductory part. First part basically where we start pattern of rebellion. What type of pattern they followed, why they participated in this revolt. We are going to discuss in this. So we have leaders and their followers. Will take on different leaders and their different followers. We are going to discuss. Then we'll discuss about rumors and prophecies. In this revolt, this is a very interesting thing that a lot of rumors and a lot of prophecies occurred in this period, and that was the main cause for this revolt. We are going to discuss in this. Then there is a question mark. Why did these people believe in these rumors? What are the reasons why these rumors and prophecy become very important for this revolt? We are going to discuss in this. Then we'll see what are the causes, what happened in Awadh. Awadh was a very fertile land that we are going to discuss later on, and why Awadh participated in this revolt. Then we are going to discuss what are the rebels want, exactly rebels चाहते क्या थे, क्यों उन्होंने इस revolt में participate किया, we will discuss against this. Then we have so many symbols which were used in this revolt. We are going to see in this. Then we have so many images that have been erected by Britishers in their newspapers and journals. We are going to do in that. And then we have celebration the saviors, Britishers who are left, whatever saviors were there for them. That was also I am going to tell in this. Then we have English women and owner of Britain. What condition of English women were there in this revolt? We are going to discuss in this. Then performance of terror, how Britishers did a lot of things with Indians, that we are going to discuss in it. Then we have national, so many nationalist leaders took a lot of inspiration from this. That we are going to discuss in this. So we will take on one by one this chapter. First one is Rebels and Raj. Why the revolt of 1857 occurred? What are the representation pattern of a rebellions? Rebellions ने क्यों participate किया इस revolt में? We are going to discuss in it. There are so many reasons. The first major policy why Indian sepoys participated in it was oppressive policy which was started by Britishers for this revolt. So many people, so many areas participated in this. One was Lucknow, one was Kanpur, one was Bareilly, one was Meerut, and a very important place in Bihar that is called Ara. Then so many leaders also participated in it. One is Rani Lakshmi Jhansi Bai, then we have Nana Sahib, then we have Kunwar Singh, then we have Bhagat Khan, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Tatya Tope also participated in this revolt. Then we'll take on why Awadh were revolted against this. As we know, Awadh is a very fertile land, especially अगर हम लखनऊ को बोलते हैं तो अवध बोल देते हैं. So there are so many reasons why Dalhousie was so much interested to annex this area, and he used the word cherry for Awadh. And due to some policy by Britishers, Dalhousie annexed this territory into his own. So that hatred provoked against that. So many talukdars, so many zimidars were dispossessed from their land. उनसे land छीन लिया गया, and lot of injustice done to Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, that is of Awadh. That was the reason why this Awadh people revolted against Britishers. Then we will take on sepoys. Why sepoys were annoyed with the Britishers? First of all, Britishers considered themselves as superior. They considered Indian soldiers as inferior. That was the reason why Indian soldiers were not happy with the Britishers. And that causes the reason for this revolt. Secondly, Britishers tried to interfere in their religious matters. That we have a very example for that. That Britishers started a gun that is called Enfield gun. And in this gun, special type of cartridges were used. Therefore, Indians were not happy because they thought that it is against our religion. Then we have vision of unity. The major cause for this revolt of 1857, that Hindu and Muslim all were united at one platform, and they thought that we should throw Britishers out from that. And they were searching for some alternative power because they were under so many princes, so many rulers were there of India. because they consider them very important, but Britishers never considered them so important. That was the reason why they were searching for some alternative power. Rebels wanted some administration should be carried from Delhi, क्योंकि अभी तक मुगल से रूल करते आ रहे थे, तो they think that Delhi should rule them. Even Lucknow also same thing happened here. In Lucknow, so many sepoys were thrown out from their job, and that was the reason why there was a revolt. Same thing in Kanpur also. Nana Sahib and Tantia Tope participated in this because these areas were captured by Britishers, and that was the reason why Indian sepoy participated in this. And then we have British policy of suppression, because Britishers' approach was very clear. They wanted to kill Indians, and they want to repress Indians by that. So we have so many repression newses which were there in 1857, that how Britishers act against Indian sepoys and Indian kings. That has been started from Calcutta, and mainly Britishers started their journey from Calcutta in 1757, Battle of Plassey. Then there's a recovered part of Punjab, and then they reached to Delhi. So a lot of Indian soldiers were hanged after this revolt, mainly 27,000. This was the number which has been given for that. So many images were also shown of this revolt. So many pictures have been shown, especially by Britishers, that they were troubled by Indian rebellions, and that was also there. So next topic is performance of terror, because so many rebels were executed badly. So nationalist people also shown some imageries. Nationalist लोगों ने भी कई imageries को भी दिखाया, जिससे ये पता लगता है कि Indians बहुत अच्छे थे, लेकिन British journals में maximum things have been represented that they were very tyrant. So a lot of Indian leaders also inspired by this first war of independence. Britishers never called this as a first war of independence, but some Indian historians wrote that it was a first war of independence. A lot of people participated in this. So we'll take on the first part of this chapter, that is pattern of rebellion. Why this mutiny began? Why sepoys were so much against that? And there was a lot of things happened, because before war something happened. Signals of Indian sepoys were they start giving it. Later on they fire guns in the evening, and they start playing a music sound, and other sepoys also come to know that there was a revolt against Britishers. And then a lot of things has been carried by rebellions. They picked up arms, they plundered the treasury badly, and they attacked so many government buildings, especially jail, treasury, telephone office, record room, bungalows, and they burned all the records. Everything and everybody connected with the white man become a target. जो भी Britishers से connected था किसी way में भी, that was targeted in this. Major towns like Kanpur, Lucknow, Bareilly, and especially moneylenders were mainly targeted in it, and they were the main objects for rebels. Now we'll take on second topic of this chapter, that is leaders and followers. They were searching, rebellions were searching for some leader to fight against Britishers. So they required some leader for that, because they approached to Bahadur Shah Jafar and they requested him, and later on he agreed to participate in this revolt, and he became a nominal head of this rebellion. Same way in Kanpur, sepoys and people of the town agreed to support Nana Sahib, who was dethroned by Britishers. Same case in Jhansi, Rani forced to assume the leadership of uprising. Same thing happened in Bihar, that is named local leader, that is Kanwar Singh, and he belonged to a place called Ara in Bihar. He took a leadership. Same case with the local leaders also. So many peasants, so many zimidars, so many tribals also participated in this. Like we have example of Shah Amal. He mobilized villagers of Pargana in Uttar Pradesh, and a tribal cultivator of Singhbhum in Chota Nagpur also become a rebel leader against this revolt. Then we have so many rumors and prophecies also participated in this revolt. बहुत सारे rumors और prophecy, भविष्यवाणियां बताई जा रही थी कि revolt होगा, और ऐसा माना जाता था कि 100 years के बाद आपका जो dynasty है वो change होती है. So after 1757, 100 years are already over. So in 1857, there was a big revolt against Britishers. So there was a rumor that British government definitely trying their best to destroy the caste and religion of Hindu and Muslims. The rumor also said that Britishers try to give that type of cartridges which are made up of a cow and pigs, and flour which they are giving to Indian sepoys, that was again made of cows and pigs. Sepoys and common people refused to touch even atta, that the flour which was given to them, they were refusing that. and they have a fear and suspicion on Britishers that they try to convert Hindus and Muslims into Christianity. And later on, Britishers did something very wrong, which Indians got suspicious. They introduced a gun that is called Enfield gun. Special gun is there. Special cartridges were used in this gun that is called grease cartridges. That is mainly, according to soldiers, it was made up of a fat of a cow and pig. Now, why did people believe in these rumors? लोगों को ऐसा विश्वास क्यों हो गया इन rumors पर? Because British adopted that policies. They tried to reform Indian societies also. They wanted to introduce Western education. They wanted to introduce Western ideas. They wanted to introduce Western institutions. And they want to reform Indian society, that they can bring this type of reforms in Indian society. But Indians were not liking this. They were suspicious that Britishers wanted to convert them into Christianity. Britishers tried to establish some laws, like customs were there for sati, and sati was mainly killed after the husband of the death of her husband. लेकिन ये सिस्टम को बदलने की कोशिश ब्रिटिशर्स ने की, and now widow remarriage is also allowed. So Britishers tried to introduce those system of administration, their own laws they framed, where the land can be easily transferred to Britishers, and so many zimidars, so many talukdars were disbanded from the land. Then next point is Awadhin revolt. So there is a very important phrase which is used by Lord Dalhousie, that Awadh is like a cherry, will definitely drop into his mouth one day. So Lord Dalhousie wanted to annex Awadh, and therefore he used the word cherry for it, because Awadh is a very fertile land. It comes under the Dwaba of Ganga and Yamuna. So he wanted to annex. So many system has been introduced in Awadh, especially one system which is called subsidiary system that has been imposed in Awadh, and he wanted to annex this. Then we have so many terms and alliances of Nawab, which earlier he was a friend of so many people, that was also disbanded due to subsidiary alliance. So army which was too much big, which was kept by a ruler of Awadh, that was also disbanded, and that was the reason why people and soldiers were against Britishers. So he wanted to have full control. Lord Dalhousie wanted to have a full control on talukdars, chiefs and all. So their lands were taken by Britishers, and that was the reason why these people were against Britishers. Now what exactly rebels wanted? ये क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आएगा, ऐसा क्या है? रेबेलियन को लगता था ये वॉर हिंदू और मुस्लिम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अगर वो लूज करते हैं तो उनके लिए प्रॉब्लम है, गेन करेंगे तो उनको फायदा होगा. तो सो मेनी नोटिफिकेशन, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में इश्तिहार कहते हैं, दैट हैज बीन पर्स्ड ऑन द वॉल्स and where the message can be conveyed through this ishtihars. Otherwise we never come across, we don't have a specific direct source what exactly these people want. So Britishers spent 50,000 against Hindu population by Muslims. कि उन्होंने कोशिश करी कि हिंदुओं को कन्वर्ट किया जाए मुस्लिम्स में, मुस्लिम्स को कन्वर्ट किया जाए हिंदुओं में. So that system was there. Now we have some symbols which were used by these people, rebellions against Britishers. So लैंड रेवेन्यू जो भी था लैंड होल्डर्स का, चाहे वो छोटे किसान थे चाहे वो बड़े किसान थे, इवन आर्टिशियंस, इवन वीवर्स, लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर गेटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट अंडर अ कोड. बट नाउ थिंग्स वर नॉट लेफ्ट, सो देयर एम्प्लॉयमेंट, देयर लाइवलीहुड वाज आल्सो इन डेंजर. So Britishers tried to attack even everything. So rebellions also wanted to attack Firangis, जिसको हम Britishers कहते हैं. They want to destroy their style of living. They didn't like it. So proclamation ऐसा बोलता है कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने उनकी कास्ट को डिस्ट्रॉय किया, उनके रिलीजन को कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करी, एंड दैट वाज द रीजन पीपल वर नॉट हैप्पी फॉर दैट. पीपल लोगों ने, रेबेलियंस ने फोर्स किया इंडियंस को कि आप इस वॉर में हमारा सपोर्ट करें. सो दैट वाज इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इमेजेस ऑफ द रिवोल्ट. सो ऑफिशियल अकाउंट सेज, हमारे कई ऑफिशियल अकाउंट्स हैं which were written that time by British administration, that so that is also become a source for this revolt. So many letters and diaries and autobiographies we come across by this, so which gives a lot of information about that. Britishers' attitude were changed, and so many times that has been mentioned in their notes, their memos, their assessments, and that situation. The story of revolt were published especially in so many newspapers and magazines, where they shown that Britishers were very brave and they were glorified, and they killed Indian mutineers badly. So many pictures were made by British and Indian painters, and so many cartoons were also made against Indian rebellions. And British pictures shows different type of images to provoke ब्रिटिश इमोशंस, और किसी ने इन लोगों को हीरोज की तरह भी सेव करने की कोशिश करी, उनको कोशिश करी कि किस तरीके से ब्रिटिशर्स बहुत शानदार काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत सेवियर हैं, बहुत बहादुर हैं, ऐसा ट्राई करा, एंड दे ट्राई टू क्रश rebellions. So there is a very important painting that is called Relief of Lucknow, that was painted by a person called Thomas Jones back in 1859. And in this painting they were shown how Indian soldiers were acted as a tyrant, and Britishers were very brave. English women or honor of Britain will take on this topic. British government पे इतना pressure था, तो they told East India Company to act very severely to save the honor of innocent women which were affected badly in this revolt, and they should protect the safety to British children. Artists expressed themselves, especially in Britain, where they have shown that Indians really were tyrant. They killed even women, they killed even children also. The performance of terror was shown, lot of things by painters, lot of journals have been mentioned about it. After that, there was a very severe act against our rebellions. So many people were hanged, executed, and they were blown from guns, and a lot of people were executed for that. So these images of their execution were circulated popularly in journals. Governor General Canning was considered as a coward. उनको दिखाया गया कि बहुत मर्सी दिखा रहे हैं रेबेलियंस के लिए, उनको गलत टाइप से पोर्ट्रेट करने की कोशिश भी ब्रिटिश प्रेस ने करी काफी. So many national imaginaries are also there. Nationalist movement drew its inspiration from movement of 1857. हमारे कई leaders हैं, especially Lal Bal Pal. These people were inspired by Indians, especially from this revolt, and they got so much inspiration for that. And that was the reason why so many national imagination was woven around this revolt. हमको ऐसा भी देखने को मिलता है. So we can call as a Indian, this is the first war of independence, which all the sections of the society participated in this revolt. So many art work has been carried out for this revolt, literature has been carried out, especially in the memories of 1857. So mainly this is the chapter. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share it. Thank you.